the only thing standing between you and a six-figure remote job isn't some massive, insanely expensive degree, but a website you've likely never even heard of. Seriously, what if I told you that you could get certified by absolute industry titans? We're talking Google, Microsoft, AWS, without spending a single rupee. I know, it sounds like a total golden ticket, but as we're going to see, it's not just entirely possible, it's a highly strategic move.
Yes. Welcome to Section 1, the big tech gold mine.
These platforms are your absolute gold standards. First up, Google Digital Marketing. This is highly recognized across the entire industry and, yep, entirely free. Next is Harvard CS50. Honestly, this is practically the gold standard for free computer science education worldwide. And finally, Simplilearn. Through their Skill Up program, they offer over 600 courses in high-paying, cutting-edge niches, specifically things like AI and cloud computing, granting you certifications directly from Microsoft and AWS. Now, hold on. If the words computer science or AI trigger a little bit of imposter syndrome for you, let's just hit pause. You absolutely do not need a highly technical background to leverage these. These platforms are brilliant at breaking down intensely complex topics into super approachable, bite-sized modules.
Moving right along to Section 2, the secret paywall bypass. Let's talk about actually getting these certificates for free.
So here is the exact financial aid trick. This is exactly how you access a giant like Coursera, where you can find courses from Yale and Stanford. But listen closely. Do not just click enroll. First, see if you can audit the course, just to view the material. If you realize you want that actual certificate, look for the tiny financial aid link. Click that, explain your situation honestly, wait exactly 16 days, and boom, you will get full access to the paid certificate for $0. It requires a little bit of patience, for sure, but it literally saves you hundreds. Another incredibly powerful method is the 7-day sprint, particularly on LinkedIn Learning. Now, most people assume LinkedIn Learning is strictly a paid feature, right? Well, here is the secret. You start their free month trial, and during this window, you sprint. You completely binge watch highly valued certifications, think SEO, SQL, or leadership. Because it's all integrated, you can add those badges to your profile instantly. Recruiters see them the second they view your page. Then, you simply cancel your trial before the month ends. Boom. Free credentials. Section 3, Hidden Gems. These are the niche skills you are going to need to really stand out from the crowd. Let's look at the sheer variety here. First, Free Code Camp. Honestly, consider this the Hogwarts for coding. It's a nonprofit where you learn by actually building real projects. It's highly respected because you simply cannot fake your way through their curriculum. Then we have Sailor.org. This one's a bit of an outlier with intense academic credibility. They offer 80-plus-hour deep dives with rigorous, tough final exams. Absolutely no fluff there. And Allison.com. Used by millions because it's fast, covering everything from IT to health with certificates you can download the exact second you pass. And just to prove that literally any niche is covered, let's do a rapid-fire list of some other absolute gems. Open.edu is fantastic for traditional academic subjects like law and science. edx.org lets you audit incredibly high-level knowledge from Harvard and MIT. HP Life, incredible for business and startup skills. Oxford Home Study offers these great punchy, short courses in management. And My Great Learning is your perfect hub if you're looking to dive deep into data science and AI certifications. I mean, the resources out there are practically infinite.
All right, Section 4, the stackable blueprint. This is where we look at a true blue ocean strategy.
There is an authoritative truth we have to remember here. A certificate is just a piece of paper. To truly make college rest in peace, you need to stock these. If you walk into an interview with just a random list of links, they are not going to care. You have to shift your mindset. Stop being a badge collector and start being the strategic architect of your own education. So let's build what I call the ultimate tech business stack. You take a Google marketing certificate, right? Then you stack it with a Yale finance course. And finally, you top the whole thing off with a Harvard coding certificate. By combining these specific pieces, you have just created a highly custom, modern profile that directly addresses the needs of a 2026 economy. This custom stack easily beats out a standard generalized liberal arts degree because it proves real cross-disciplinary competence.
But how do you actually prove it to a recruiter? You do it with a project portfolio. This means taking those stacked certifications and combining them to build a tangible app, a fully functional website, or a complex data sheet that solves a real-world problem. This is absolutely crucial. It's the translation from theory into practice. Building a real-world project is what truly proves your skills. It shows them you didn't just passively watch videos on the couch, you actually applied the knowledge.
And let's look at the totally modern perspective here. These skills aren't just for climbing the corporate ladder anymore. With the courses we've discussed, especially those focusing on AI from Simplilearn and Migrate Learning, you can use generative AI tools like Notebook LM, for example, to organize your learning and actually launch a freelance career. You can become a solopreneur. You are essentially arming yourself with the exact technical tools needed to build your own business from the ground up, and you're doing it with zero initial educational debt. So, we are right back to where we started. But now you have the map. The question is, will you stay stuck in the career maze, just complaining about how the system is rigged? Or will you take action and start stacking your $0 self-made degree today? The resources are free, the strategy is completely proven, and the outcome is entirely in your hands. I highly